TikTok do be hyping things up, so today we're trying out a TikTok viral product. So we are ditching the regular beauty sponge and we're trying out the Thirsty Lemon Makeup Sponge from Allie Things Beauty. So I want to find out if it's worth the hype. So let's just get right to it. Okay, so I'm really excited about this sponge because one, it's super cute, and two, it's got a lot of hype around it, and I really want to know if it works as good as my regular beauty sponge. Now, I've tried a lot of different makeup sponges, and to be honest, most of them perform the exact same way. So the Thirsty Lemon costs $12.99, and you can get it on Amazon. It is from a company called Allie Things Beauty. I'll have the creator and all that jazz linked in my description box below, but this is what she looks like. Cute. Matches, like almost, but like cute. That wasn't planned. So right off the bat, it feels similar to my regular beauty sponge, but like at the same time a little different. This one feels more, I don't want to use the word silicone-y, but like it feels more like rubbery. I don't know, it's weird, but like I like it. So it's a decent size. It's obviously comparable to a regular beauty sponge. So the Thirsty Lemon is vegan, cruelty-free, latex-free, and it's hypoallergenic, which is a plus to all those, of course. So I just want to get right into trying this out. So I'm going to go do my brows, wet my sponge, and I'll be right back. Okay, my face is prepped like I normally do before my foundation. That way this review is accurate and fair as always. So I'm going to go in with my NYX Born to Glow Radiant Foundation. Okay, so I'm just going to stamp into this like normal off the back of my hand. Hopefully this is a better shade than I've been using. I finally stocked up on some new foundations, thankfully. So let's just start going into it. Okay, so right off the bat, it feels nice on the skin. I really like that a lot. It's very soft and it has a nice bounce to it. It does seem like it's actually applying the majority of the foundation that I picked up off the back of my hand. Sometimes sponges absorb too much product and then you go through a lot of unnecessary extra product, which is wasteful. I would like to know while I'm applying this, if you've heard of this sponge, and if you have you used it? Do you want to use it? I know it was sold out for a while, and it actually took me a while to get it because every time I went to purchase it, it was out of stock. I signed up for notifications, and as soon as I got one saying that it was back in stock on Amazon, I ran right over and bought it. Okay, so the sponge has the little point right here at the end, which is fantastic because it's made so you can get in the nooks and crannies, like on the side of your nose, underneath your eye, but I'm not using this for underneath my eye because I don't take my foundation all the way up underneath, but you can use it for if you're blending out your concealer under your eyes instead of using a smaller, different beauty sponge. Like I normally go in with something small like this, but I won't need to do that since I have the point right there. You can just squeeze it and kind of like go in like that, and it's perfect. Same thing with, again, beside the nose. I always go around, and it gets right in there because normally I have to like pull my nose all the way to the side and go in, but right now I don't have to do that because it just gets right on in there, which is perfect. I love that design feature. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back to give you my final thoughts on the Thirsty Lemon Beauty Sponge. Okay, makeup's done. I look stunning, I know. I also just filmed a quick video on how to do a fake cut crease. That'll probably be up before or after this, I don't know. Check it out when it is, cool. So, the sponge, the Thirsty Lemon Sponge. Gotta talk about it. Do I love this sponge? Yes. So again, let me just compare it to a typical beauty sponge. Now again, this isn't wet, but like it'll be pretty similar. I do love the design aspect of this. I love the little tip at the top and the bottom. Again, you can squeeze it, you can get right into those nooks and crannies, which is so perfect. It saves you the hassle of having to have a separate, smaller sponge. I think it's fantastic. Also, I think it's great at holding the product just the right amount. Like it doesn't absorb too much product because then you don't have to waste a ton. So your foundation pretty much just sits right on top of the sponge. So when you're applying it, you're actually applying it and getting that coverage that you want. Also, when a sponge absorbs too much product, your foundation isn't as full coverage, and who wants lighter coverage foundation? Not me. So again, from a design standpoint, I think it's fun. I think it's super cute and it's actually practical. From a price standpoint, $12.99, that's literally nothing. I think $12.99 for a beauty sponge is a very appropriate price, especially when it's coming from an indie brand. I do think that they could actually price it a few dollars more, but like, I'm okay with $12.99. Again, you can get the Thirsty Lemon Makeup Sponge from Amazon, and I will have everything linked in the description box below, as well as the creator of this product. So you can go check her out, follow her on all her socials, because we support each other. That's what we do here. And quite honestly, I don't think for once that I have anything negative to say about it. I really don't think there's anything that I would change. I do get that it's called a Thirsty Lemon, so of course it's gonna be yellow, but like I think it would be cute to have like some special versions of it, like different colors, like I don't know, like a Rainbow Pride one, maybe like an Orange Halloween one. I'm just throwing those ideas out there, and I'll also take 10% for the idea, just saying. Also, do I think the Thirsty Lemon Beauty Sponge is the best beauty sponge on the market? quite honestly, yeah, I think it feels great, it works great, everything I said already. So I definitely would recommend you trying the Thirsty Lemon out and let me know what you think. If you already have used it, please let me know in the comments below what you think about it. And if you haven't, are you gonna try it? But I think that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this quick review of the Thirsty Lemon Beauty Sponge. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up down below, smash that subscribe button, and I hope you have the day you deserve.